Now that's why he has a misfire. Look how bad this is. Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna work on a BMW 116i. It's got the N43 engine and we're changing the spark plugs and ignition coils. As you can see, it's NGK spark plugs and Delphi ignition coils, and we're also putting new oil in the car because it was misfiring from the first cylinder, and that's the old ignition coil. Now it might be a problem from the ignition coil or the spark plug, so we will change all of them, clear the codes and see what happens. Ooh, that's bad. That's the filter out now and it's draining. The oil looks alright, but like, we changed spark plug and ignition coils. He got the car last month, so why not do an oil change? So with every good brand, okay, the oil filter brand, it should come with all the oil rings and a washer. Every time you do oil change, put a new washer on the bolt. You need a big tool for this, but we only have that thing, screwdriver. And every oil change, you know, you need the oil rings. So what he's doing right now is looping around the oil. No, don't eat it. As you can see, this is the old filter. It's so bad. And this is the end of this video, but we will just put these back and that should be alright. Is everything done?